Bonjour à tous. Good morning, everyone, or good day, everyone. Today, let us see the fifth lesson question and answers. Qu'est-ce que le gouvernement de Tamil Nadu a interdit? Le gouvernement de Tamil Nadu a interdit les sacs en plastique. What has the government of Tamil Nadu has banned? Okay, Tamil Nadu banned. What has the government of Tamil Nadu banned? The government of Tamil Nadu has banned the plastic bags. Les sacs en plastic means plastic bags. Pourquoi Manjula ne savait-elle pas à propos de l'introduction des produits de plastique? Why did Manjula not know about the ban of plastic products? Okay. So, the answer is elle ne savait pas cette nouvelle parce qu'elle n'était pas en vie depuis 6 mois. She was not aware of this new news. Okay, news. Parce que means because. Parce que means because elle n'était pas en vie depuis 6 mois. She was not there in the city. We means city. She was not there in the city. Depuis means since. Since 6 months. 6 mois. 6 mois means 6 months. Mois means months. Okay. Then, pourquoi les citoyens doivent respecter cette loi? Why the citizens should respect this law? Why the citizens? Pourquoi means why. Pourquoi means why. Citoyen means citizens. Citizens should respect this law. Loi means law. The citizens should respect this law because the plastic products, les produits plastiques. Les produits plastic means plastic products. Are nuisible. Nuisible means harmful. What is nuisible? Harmful. Harmful to the health. Santé means health. And to the environment. All environment means environment. And to the environment. Fine. So the same meanings I have written here. Citoyen, citizen. Citoyen means citizen. Parce que means I told you earlier because the citizens should respect this law because the plastic products are harmful to the health and to the environment. Okay, now fourth one. Pourquoi un groupe de bénévoles se rassemble-t-il? Why did the group of volunteers join? Une association prend l'initiative de nettoyer les lacs avec l'aide des volontaires. An association takes the initiative to clean the lake with the help of some volunteers. Okay? With the help of some volunteers. Help. Aid means help. Qu'est-ce que le groupe a apporté pour nettoyer les lacs? What did the group bought for cleaning the lake? Le groupe a apporté une trentaine de balais, des pelles, des gens et des masques. The group bought 30 broomsticks, some shovels, some gloves and some masks. Okay? Apporter means, apporter means bought. Past tense. So, this side I have written the question and the answers, and the other side I have written the meaning. So same like that, if you write and keep, it will be easy for you when you are studying for your exam. Okay, now let us move on to the letter of this lesson. So letter, vous écrivez une lettre à votre ami pour le sensibiliser au danger de l'utilisation des produits en plastique. You are writing a letter to your friend saying the danger involved in using the plastic products. So format should be followed. Chennai, le, de, mars, cher ami, como ça va, je vais bien. Now, les produits en plastique sont nuisibles à la santé. Same that the question and answers you have studied, no? So that same you can repeat here. The plastic products are nuisible, harmful to the health and to the environment. Maintenant means now. Maintenant means now. Le gouvernement aussi, the government also banned the plastic products. Les produits en plastique means plastic products. Alors means so. Tu n'utilises pas les sacs, you don't utilize the bags. Okay, les produits en plastique. Les sacs means the bags. The products in plastic. Respond immediately. That's all. You are completing the letter. And follow the format again. Amical move. Then l'adresse sur l'envelope. Address on the envelope. So you can write this. Fine. So same format should be followed for all the letters. Only the 2-3 lines in between should be written of your own. Fine. Then next one is you are writing a paragraph writing. Proposez des mesures pour assurer la propreté de votre quartier. So write some measures to keep your place, environment clean. Dans ce paragraphe, je vais expliquer. So the format should be followed here. Je vais expliquer des mesures pour assurer la propreté de notre quartier. Same. In the question, whatever it is there, you have to by heart that. And instead of votre, you are writing here notre. Okay, so you are writing you are replacing this your with our. Then, il faut éviter les sacs en plastique. It is must to avoid the plastic bags. Il faut nettoyer les lieux publics sauves. It is must to clean the public places often. Les lieux publics means the public places often. Il faut organiser des expositions dans les écoles. It is must to organize some awareness program in the schools. It is must to organize awareness program in the schools. École means schools. Fine. Il faut nécessaire de partager des fiches, donner des conseils sur la propreté. It is necessary to share the forms. Partager means share. The fiche means forms, pamphlets. Okay. Fiche means pamphlets. Donner des conseils means give some advices on the place where we are residing. Finalement, pour chaque citoyen means for each. Pour means for. Chaque means each. Citoyen means citizen. Il est nécessaire de comprendre. It is necessary or important. You can write even important because while writing necessary, you can even make mistakes. So better you write important. De comprendre l'essence de la property. The cleanliness in the propreté. Propreté means in our place. Il faut maintenir la propreté régulièrement. It is necessary to maintain the cleanliness regularly. Okay. So this is how I have concluded here. Hope it is clear for you. Okay. So now let us move on to the 14th one. Discuter avec vos amis pour sensibiliser les habitants de votre quartier au problème de l'environnement. You are discussing about the environment, cleanliness, with your friend. So mon ami means my friend, moi means myself. Salut means hi, ça va means fine. Oui, ça va means yes, I am fine. Mon ami, my friend is asking, comment nous protégions l'environnement? How do we protect the environment? Protéger means protect. Nous devons utiliser moins d'eau et d'électricité. We should utilize less water. O means water. Electricity means electricity. So this is how you should make the discussion very simple. Mon ami, merci. Merci, au revoir, and moi, merci, à bientôt. So write all these salutations properly. Fine. All these greetings. Salut, ça va, oui, ça va, and merci, au revoir, merci, à bientôt. So like this you write the salutations properly, and please be thorough with the 2 lines whatever you are writing. It should be very crisp and clear. Fine. Okay, I request all of you to write this in your note. Okay, so only if you write and memorize, you could able to understand better. Okay, so merci means thank you. Merci beaucoup, thank you very much. Bonne journée, have a nice day. Bonne journée, have a nice day.